Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that how to change Infinix cell phone ringtone is a very easy thing to do. And if you are still confused, please refer to the following discussion. And please note you can change the ringtone of incoming calls, message or notification on Infinix using the default sound or music that you like. So now I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone by your favorite music on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, firstly, make sure you have downloaded the music that you will make the ringtone. Okay, next, go to settings menu. And then you can scroll down until you found sound and vibration like this. You can tap on it and then you can scroll down and you can choose which SIM card that you want to change the ringtone. Alright, now on the bottom you can see add ringtone over here, and then you can tap and you can go to the place that you save the ringtone. Alright, this is the music that I want, and then the music is available immediately and you can choose as the ringtone of your phone like this. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to change the ringtone by your favorite music on Infinix GT10 Pro, and thank you so much for watching.